All right, good afternoon. I'm here to tell you about your very first math assignment. You are going to be creating a counting bag. Your teacher might have already talked to you about this, but I'm going to read the directions for you below so that you can be ready to make your own counting bag that you're going to need for math this year. So let's go ahead and read what's on the screen. Here are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need a Ziploc bag, so the kind that you can seal across the top, or some kind of small container. It doesn't have to be a bag, just something that will hold up if you use it over and over again. And you're going to need 100 small items. That's the tricky part. It could be something like beans, dried beans from your pantry. It could be Lego pieces, something that you have 100 of that we can use to count this year. So let's keep reading. First graders do lots and lots of counting. To be ready for many of our counting activities, you will need to create a counting bag. Step 1, find something to put your items in. This can be a cloth bag, a Ziploc bag, or even a plastic container. Step 2, find a small item that you can count out 100 of. You might choose Lego or beans or pennies or even something else small, or it could even be a combination of things, just something that will equal 100. Step 3, and this is the tricky part. It might take you more than one day to do this. You might work on it a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow. It's up to you. But you're going to count out 100 of whatever item you choose. If you need help counting to 100, here is a 100s chart to help you. So you can click there, and here's a 100s chart if you would get confused or if you would just need to help double check. So that will be there for you. Good counters always double check. I bet you learned that a lot in kindergarten last year. I bet your kindergarten teachers were always saying, did you double check? Go back and double check. It's super important in math that we double check our work. So good counters always double check. Pour out your items. So you already collected those 100 items and you already counted them. Guess what? You're going to go count them one more time to double check and make sure that you have 100. You can do this in more than one day. If you want to gather your 100 items the first day, and on the second day you want to do your double check and recount them, that's fine. Whatever you choose to do, however you choose to do it, is fine with us. And then step 5, when you're all finished with your bag and you've got it sealed or you have the lid on, however you decided to make your counting bag, we have a video below for you to just review counting to 100. Just kind of a fun singing activity that will help you review and practice counting to 100. Make sure you keep your bag in a safe place because you're going to need it throughout our school year. Have a great day.